Well, it's afternoon feeding time, and the food is out on the lawn and in the camera feeder, and they're starting to gather. Now, I don't know if they wait until everybody's there, and I don't know, there could be 100 of them on the roof above my house here, but I don't know what triggers them to come down. It's probably me going in. But somebody'll make a move. A few years ago, they used to come up pretty much and sit on my feet, and I don't know what's changed that. Could be changed population of them, not me. I'm always here. But it was like in the olden days, they sort of went, oh, here comes the man with the food. And they see me as beneficial rather than something to be scared of. Who knows? Maybe come springtime, we shall see.